Hi, Coach.
Yeah, I'm here. So this is what we have here. All right. This could have been a reset. They did a reset. Okay, this is the initial highs they had here. This is the initial high they had here. This was the first leg here. All right.
Yeah.
This was the first leg here that came out of this peak low here. They gave us a pullback. So they have given us a reset here. They have given us this reset here. They have given us this reset here, peak low here, right? One level of rise. The price went into contraction. Second level of rise. See that? All right. And now they have given you a third level of rise here. Let me just clear it. Right? This high is here. This was the initial high, first leg here. Right? They gave you a pullback, gave you a peak reset, one level of rise. Price went into contraction. Second level of rise, third level of rise. Are you seeing that?
Okay. Yeah.
All right. So this cycle here went up here to give you the second level of the multi-session M formation. This one here.
Yeah.
All right. Just like how they gave you 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
First leg, pull back. They gave you 1, 2, 3, a reset, they back up there. Right? Take out all the people who are selling here. They have come back to the same level here. So there is a likelihood they are going to continue selling, coming back up here because they already given you a complete cycle here. This is a complete cycle here. One level of rise. Second level of rise. Right? Third level of rise here. Now the question to ask yourself, are we really going to continue looking for buys all the way up here after counting these three levels of rise like this?
Correct. That was my question just now. Yeah.
And then they have come, taken out those highs here. So the only best opportunity, if they are going to continue selling, is let them give us a retracement, right? And then we can continue buying if they want to buy. So at this point where price is currently, they can continue at the current price projection. They can continue inducing people to buy, to continue buying, right? And then shift the price against everybody, coming back down there. Remember, this business is about money. There's no free lunch. They can't give you any free lunch. There are people who are buying here. There are people who are buying here. There are people who are buying here. Just like there are people who are selling here, selling here. There are people who are selling here. There are people who are selling here. They sell to you, they come and clear the board. So in the process of buying, they are creating orders here. They are coming to take out those orders. But they can give you 3 to 4 levels of rise before they shift the price. But this is a key level. We can get a peak high for a sell opportunity coming back down bearish.
And that we need to confirm in the 1 hour time frame, right? So
yeah, we are on the 1 hour time frame. So once I see a confirmed M formation, so on the 4 hour time, on the 4 hour time frame, this is what we can be able to see. We can recognize something is developing. Like this is a potential peak formation high. Out of this, we can potentially see there is a potential peak formation high on the 4 hour time frame. We anticipate, because it's not yet confirmed, we are just projecting for something like this to happen. But on the 1 hour time frame now, I'll be interested when I go to the daily time frame, how I'm interested is I will mark up my zones, right, on the 4-hour time frame and say, okay, I'm waiting for price to test these zones here. That was the breakout structure on the daily time frame. I'm looking for price to test back the zones here. So on the 1-hour time frame, I'll be looking for an M formation around these zones here. Once I see it, I'll be looking for an M structure around it. It can be around this zone here. It can come above this zone here. They can come, clear these orders here. They can come clear these orders. Remember, there are orders here. There are people sold from here. They can come clear orders from there, and then they sell. All right. So those are the areas that I'll be looking for those sell opportunities, if at all they are going to be there. So on the 1-hour time frame, my zones will be marked up like that. Right. So we'll be looking for an inside M, and we will be looking for an inside bar M formation of this peak reset here, of this peak low here. We'll be looking for, that's one level of rise, second level of rise, third level of rise. I'll be looking for something like this, right, for me to sell it. If they give me that structure, sweet. Right? If they give us that structure, very good. If they don't, it's still very okay. Right? 1, 2, 3. Right?
Yeah.
So we'll be monitoring to see what price action we are going to get. They can range for 2 to 3 days before they shift the market bearish. Right? But after tomorrow is when we'll find out what exactly the dealers want to do. Any questions?
So it's a Monday, and this is the result we have after waiting so patiently with Xau-Usd. Finally, our peak formation high locked, and actually our sell stop were activated, and this is the result that we have this particular morning on Xau-Usd. It's all about being patient and knowing exactly what you're looking for. You wait for the dealers to print what you're looking for on the charts, and when they do, that is when you get to activate your orders or take action, right? So if these tutorials are helping you see your charts differently, kindly consider subscribing and tell your friends about this channel. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and I'll give you an update on the progress of Xau-Usd for the course of the week. But I'm hoping to turn this as a swing position. Let's see how it's going to turn out tomorrow, on Tuesday tomorrow, right? You get paid for staying patient and calm for those opportunities that you're looking for to be presented on the charts. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.